Your Roblox game might run fine, but if you get error code 268 on your iPhone, it can kick you out unexpectedly and ruin your session. Most players don't know why it happens or how to fix it. This usually happens because of network issues, corrupted game files, or app glitches. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Roblox error code 268 on iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here you see whether the game is officially down or not. Solution 2. Turn off VPN. Open up the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Now scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, make sure that your VPN is not connected. Solution 3. Update the Roblox app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below, type Roblox. Now find the Roblox app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.